We started van life 10 days ago. It has been the most hectic 10 days that you could possibly imagine. So first of all, I'm sure you've noticed by now that I am in fact not even in our van, and that is because our van is in the shop. But before we even get to that, let's wind back to what happened day one. So for those of you that don't know, we are from Hawaii, and therefore for us to start van life in the States, we had to fly here. So day one, I already ran into a problem because TSA took something from my bag that wasn't even on the hazard list. And it's an item that I need for medical reasons. So that's been fun. And then we had problems with our rental car, so we had to switch it out, and we needed a rental car to go and pick up our van from the port. So we had to switch out the rental car, and then the second rental car smelled like smoke, and so the rental car agency tried to charge us for smoking in the car when it already smelled like smoke when we picked it up. We finally get our van, and then we start driving it, turn on the heater because we are driving in Washington State in January. Heater is broken. I mean, thankfully we insulated our van pretty well because otherwise we probably would not have been able to sleep in it. But then just a couple of days ago, which marked around the 1 week period of us doing van life, we were driving to Washington Park and our brakes seized. So they just locked on us. And yes, we were on a road driving down a hill, and it seized on us. So now our van is in the dealership getting fixed, and we are here crashing in with some friends. We do have friends and family in the area, so we are super grateful for that, and they have really been our rock and our support when Alex and I and Button really needed it and shit hit the fan. I'm telling you all of this because when you do something new, when you do something big and life-changing and scary, shit's gonna happen. It's gonna be rough, especially during the transition period, which is what we are in right now. Things are not gonna go smoothly. Things are not gonna go, well, no matter how far out you plan it. We've been planning this for the past 2 years. Didn't anticipate any of this happening, but they did. And it does not mean that what we did is a mistake. It does not mean we regret it. It does not mean we should turn around and go home. It just means that this is a part of growth. So if you decide to do something big and exciting and new and scary in your life, just know that unexpected shit is going to hit the fan. There's no way to stop it. And it does not mean that you made the wrong decision. It just means you made a big decision. And how you're going to fight through those problems is showing how much you genuinely want it.